In the Rococo review of Robotic Ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the Rye Ringmaster reigning over the Gladiator Hedge EA V1.18 MT5 on my account for months. And zounds, it's armored my trades with plus 1,099.87% gains with the panache of a parodic Praetorian chef slinging hedges. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the Hedge EA that turns every market maelstrom into pure gladiatorial gold. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this Gladiator Hedge EA V1.18 MT5 slinger of sizzles. The zip folder for the Gladiator Hedge. EA V1.18 MT5 disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract. What's here liberates the EX5 file, set file, installation instructions PDF, and read me text in seconds. I ferried the EX5 to MT5's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Gladiator Hedge EAV 1.18 MT5 to multi-pair charts like EUR/USD on M1, invoked the set file, and it commenced its hedging pirouette forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet of conquests, and there the Gladiator Hedge EAV 1.18 MT5 parades its plus 1,099.87% absolute gain escapade, ballooning a $50,000 deposit into $2,051.36 balance, with colossal profits amid withdrawals. Daily at negative 0.37%, monthly negative 40.33%, hinting at a recent retrenchment. Yet the equity curve bemuses manual traders' flatlines with a majestic ascent, crowned by spikes like that May 2021. 26.78K profit flourish, scarcely scarred by naders thanks to its masterful hedging. Profitability at exalted levels. Win rates soaring above typical benchmarks for multi-pair hedge bots that dance with volatility. Average wins plump and pip-rich. Losses corralled by the Gladiator Hedge EAV 1.18 MT5's dynamic hedging mode. Spread and slippage filters that tame turmoil without martingale madness. Get this. Net profit a staggering $63,588.44. That's the edge that compounds with imperial speed on choppy pairs, sans reckless overtrading. Drawdown shows 100% absolute over the long haul, yet equity endured with stoic grace, risk of ruin reduced to ridicule. Profit factor a robust 3.19, more than redeems any skirmish. For every dollar risked, you're reaping regal returns. Commissions? Trifling on my ECN broker, effortlessly eclipsed by the lofty expectancy per trade. Hold times ideal for M1 maneuvers. Poke into the advanced tabs and winners tower over losers in key hours. Massive green bars early on proving the Gladiator Hedge EAV 1.18 MT 5 strikes when opportunity glints while staying prudent elsewhere. Forecast whispers steady 10% non-compounding yearly growth from current equity. No fanciful fables, just reliable riches. Monthly analytics? From humble 122.89 beginnings to triumphant 391.30 peaks. It's not merely surviving market noise, it's savoring it, granting me leisure to relish wins instead of perpetual chart vigil. If you're after hedge bots that deliver over 1,000% historically without habitual heart attacks, this Gladiator Hedge EAV 1.18 MT5 is the undisputed deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the Gladiator Hedge EAV 1.18 MT5 on MT5 with high-quality tick data, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $7,900.22. Gross profits at $11,511.91, clearly outpacing gross losses of $3,611.69 for that clean positive edge. Okay, total trades 5,522 balanced across longs and shorts, win rate strong with shorts at 61.27% and longs at 59.75% for an overall around 60%. Average profitable trade a healthy $63.15, while average loss contained at negative $50.38. And max drawdown very tame at just 19.32% relative. Quick, precise hedges, no wild swings, absolutely perfect for building live trading confidence. So wrapping this up, if the Gladiator Hedge EAV 1.18 MT5 has you as pumped as it has me after months of hands-on hedging, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting Gladiator Hedge EAV 1.18 MT5 strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.